Starting with the main category number 3, Kenneth Kagunya. I hope I got it right. Kenneth Kagunya. Very good. You see, this is a real marathoner. Yeah, a representative from the Ministry of Environment. Please kindly move forward to award the half marathoners. That is okay. Environment is very important. You enjoyed the run, you enjoyed the stay in this environment, didn't you? Miti imepandwa vizuri. Asante sana. You can award. Tunangoja. There are other things also for us. Don't worry, usipe t-shirt imekuja. Mungu anajua. Nisema kitu, si ndio? Nimeuliza hapo. Thank you so much. That is the Minister of Environment representative. Thank you so much. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2 is Cyprian Kangani. Cyprian Kangani. Kungani yake sawa. Cyprian Kangani. Wait for the award. That is from Fidelity Insurance. And number 1, this guy really ran. Gaspar Amboye. Makofi bwana. Piga makofi kwa kelele. Amboye, Mr. Amboye, where are you? Oh, here he comes. Well, this guy, I used to compete against him when I was young. But saizi mzee imeingia magoti na kupiga kelele. So, thank you so much. Tumekimbia mara mingi sana. Makofi. Piga picha, take your time. Smile. Share on your platforms. Thank you so much. I know there are some other awards that